Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Hi. This is Royal. He's getting ready to be 10 months. And today is May 29th, my 20th birthday. Yay, happy birthday to me. But right now, I'm about to show y'all that my baby is learning how to walk. Look how small he is. But he getting it. Come here, Royal. Stand up, Daddy. Stand up. Come on, stand up. He know how to stand up and everything on his own. Stand up. No, stand up. Get up, boo. Okay, let's take his cheese puff. Here, come on. Get up. Come on. Here. Here, Daddy. Here. Here. Come on. Come on. Here, Royal. No. 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 Come on. Well, he had my help a little bit. But so what? Wait a minute. Why are you walking out fast and stuff? Okay. Give us a little time. He gonna get it. Royal. Here, go after this. Come here, boo. Come here. Come on. Look, here. Here. Here you go. Come on, Daddy. Come on. Come on, try again. Come on. Come on. Here. Here. Here's the phone. Come on, Daddy. Here. Here. Come on, here. You ain't gonna walk for the people. Okay, wait. Come on. Come on. Look. Look. Come on. Oh. Please, Daddy. Come on, here. 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 What you want? You want this? You want this? Come on. Here. Here. Look at my baby. Wow. Come on. Come on. Yay. Yay. And that is my baby walking. Here's what Royal.
Was it gone?
Yeah, she went outside.
Wasn't no milk?
I don't think so. My baby just showed y'all he can walk. Don't hate.